Hello everyone, I'm Shweta. I'm an English teacher in Kakatiya Public School. Today I'm going to discuss about vowels. Children, before entering into our topic, I would like to tell you a small story. Okay, are you ready to listen the story? Okay, let us start. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived 26 siblings. How many children, beta? 26 siblings. In those 26 siblings, 5 siblings used to live with their grandmother. How many, Nana? 5 siblings used to live with their grandmother. What are those 5 siblings? Look here. A, E, I, O, and U. Look children, these 5 siblings used to live with their grandmother. And the rest 21 siblings are there, no? They used to live with their mother. Okay children? See, this A, E, I, O, U. These siblings are known as vowels. What are they known as? Vowels. Say me, what are they? They are vowels. And the rest 21 siblings are known as consonants. What are the children? Consonants. Is it okay? Children, look at here. Say hi to vowels. Hi vowels. Say hi children. Okay. Now children, let us recite a new rhyme of vowels. Okay. Are you ready? So first what you need to do? You need to follow me. First you see me. Then later we will sing together. Okay children? Look here. Vowels of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And vowels of the name. Oh. Look children, repeat after me. Vowels of the alphabet. What are they, Nana? Vowels of the alphabet. Okay? Vowels of the alphabet. I know them all by name. Oh, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Oh. Children, repeat after me, Nana. Vowels of the alphabet. Say one more time. Vowels of the alphabet. I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. Okay children? Look here. Vowels of the alphabet. I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Look here children. Shall us recite one more time? Okay. Vowels of the alphabet. I know them all by name. Oh, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Are vowels of the name. Oh. Okay children, have you got it? Have you understood the vowels, right? Okay children, so now what you need to do is, as homework, look here children. See, take a plain paper and you need to draw your thumb in this way. Look children, with the help of the pencil, you have to draw your palm in this way. Okay, Nana? See, you have to draw your palm in this way and you need to write A, E, I, O, U as vowels. Okay, children? And see, dear parents, please help your child to make these puppets, okay? So that they can play with puppets and they can recite the poem very interestingly, okay? Just take the paper and fold it with the help of the gum. You just stick it with the help of the gum and you just write the letters A, E, I, O, U and you just give it to them, okay? Children, you have to do this project work and you have to send your pics to your in charge madam. Okay, children? Thank you.